More and more people are making claims in the employment tribunal themselves, so they're doing so without the help of a solicitor or any other legal person. Now, in the past, the employment tribunal was geared up for individuals to represent themselves, and employers in fact. Back in the days when it was called the industrial tribunal, it was much more easy for people to access and to represent themselves, and I suppose less legalistic. Unfortunately, over the years that has changed and it is much more of a legal forum, and therefore I'm getting contacted by a number of people who are representing themselves, who are getting to a certain stage in the proceedings where they're struggling, i.e. where the employment tribunal are deciding on the list of legal issues, for example. This is where people are finding it difficult to define what those legal issues are and to really understand the basis of their claim. So if you find yourself in a situation where you're representing yourself, there are a number of organisations that can provide you with free advice. You can also find information online. Now, the critical thing, if you are bringing a claim in the employment tribunal, is to understand what basis under law you are making that claim. And the best place to find that information is on the .gov website and legislation. So just type in UK legislation, or, for example, if you're making a claim under the Equality Act 2010, and go straight to the source, the original law in relation to this, and make sure you print yourself out a copy of the relevant part. Now, I wouldn't advise you to print out the whole of the Equality Act because it would be huge, but you just need to print out those relevant parts, so the relevant section that you're claiming under, for example. Hopefully you find this helpful, and of course if you are representing yourself, I have done a number of podcasts on this topic and the various stages that you may find helpful, and I'll put a link in the comments below.